Welcome back. This video is going to show you how to add a trend line to a graph in Microsoft Excel. This is quite a simple method once you know where to look. So you want to start by clicking on the graph, which will likely be a scatter graph, and go to either the Design tab or Layout tab depending on your current version of Excel. If you're using the latest version like me, you can follow what I'm doing on screen. If you're using an older version of Excel, you'll need to go to the Layout tab and it will have the trend line option in a more central position. You can choose the type of trend line you are wanting from this list on either version. Both the layouts are similar once you find the trend line section. There are more types of trend line that you can add by clicking on the More Trend Line Options button at the bottom of the menu. You can also give the trend line a custom name and change other settings here too. You can format the appearance of the trend line with some of the other options in this window. For example, you can change the colour or style and add shadows as well. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, remember to leave a like and subscribe. And as always, I will see you in another video. Thanks for watching.